Before watching the video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Check out a few of the other videos about dieting, what your ideal weight should be and much more. Most lists of superfoods don't include beetroot juice, but maybe they should. Beet juice may boost stamina to help you exercise longer, improve blood flow, and help lower blood pressure, some research shows. Why? Beets are rich in natural chemicals called nitrates. Through a chain reaction, your body changes nitrates into nitric oxide, which helps with blood flow and blood pressure. Beet juice benefits. In some studies, drinking about 2 cups of beet juice daily or taking nitrate capsules lowered blood pressure in healthy adults. Beet juice may also help your stamina when you exercise. In one study, people who drank beet juice for 6 days had better stamina during intense exercise. Beet juice nutrition. 1 cup of raw beets has 58 calories and 13 grams of carbohydrates. A cup of beet juice is usually around 100 calories and 25 grams of carbohydrates, because of the way it is processed. Beets are good sources of folate, potassium, vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, as well as nitrates. Other good food sources of nitrates include spinach, radishes, lettuce, celery, and Chinese cabbage. Eating beets won't give you the same quantity of nitrates, because cooking hampers some of the nitrates, but it certainly is good for your health. If you start drinking beet juice, you should know that it may make your urine and stools look reddish. That's normal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-related videos.